Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amir Hamza, and in this video, we are going to talk about artificial intelligence, data science, and Python. So, first of all, let me clear out something that in that previous video, I have said that I will upload weekly a video, but due to some concerns like sickness, I was not able to upload a video weekly on that Tuesday. So, inshallah, I will try to keep myself consistent. So, in this video, we will talk about artificial intelligence, data science, and Python, how they are interconnected with each other, and what are the uses of them in this modern world. So, let's talk about artificial intelligence first. Okay, so let me clear out one more thing that these are my starting videos. I can fumble somewhere, I can be nervous somewhere. So, by ignoring that fact, remember this is not a course. I am doing all of this because I love this, and this helps me track my progress. So, if you want to learn, we will learn it together, okay? So, let's talk about artificial intelligence first. Let's start. So, artificial intelligence or AI refers to computer systems or machines that are capable of doing such tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and problem solving. AI systems can perceive their environment, process information, and respond by adapting their behavior to achieve specific goals. Okay? And here you can see here is a more detailed explanation. I will try, to keep these videos as short as possible. So if you are interested, go to ChatGPT and it will explain you in English or Urdu or in any language you want. Go and search if you want to elaborate it in more detail. Okay? So let's talk about its types. So basically, there are two major types of artificial intelligence. First, narrow AI. Second, general AI. Not Gen AI, okay? Narrow AI basically is a specific type of AI which I will say that we are using Copilot, ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, etc., etc. Self-driving cars, Elon Musk's Tesla's self-driving car models, chess models are examples of narrow AI and many more LLMs. Okay, and that and if we talk about general AI, so for now it's just a concept or a theoretical. I will say theoretical. I would say it is just a concept, theoretical concept, and yeah, humans are trying to achieve it, and they are inventing such technologies like Web3, Metaverse to, achieve that hypothetical general AI. And also, machine learning and deep learning are subsets of artificial intelligence. Okay, so let's talk about data science. Data science, I would say, is the study of data to extract meaningful insights for business. It is a multidisciplinary field or approach that combines principles and practices from the fields of mathematics, statistics, artificial intelligence, and computer engineering to analyze large amount of data. And if we elaborate it in more detail, so finding patterns in large data sets, training ML models, and deploying AI applications. And here is the life cycle of data science: identify problem, data mining, data cleaning, data exploration, feature engineering, predictive modeling, data visualization, and there's many more. What is the goal of this field? Basically, to develop skills in ML and AI. Data science and AI are interlinked or interconnected with each other by a bridge. ML plays a role of a bridge to connect AI and data science. ML models use large data sets to train themselves. Okay, machine learning would not have been possible if there were not unstructured and structured amount, of large data sets. Okay, and what are the skills? So there are Python, R, Hadoop, SQL, etc., etc. Okay, and here are certain types of AI which I have written. Okay, this basically there are two measures, and these five are, I would say these are not important to study for now. Okay, so we have talked about artificial intelligence, its type, data science, and also here data science also has a subset of data analytics, which basically analyzes data to provide meaningful insights. Okay, for businesses, for professionals, it depends on the circumstance and the situation. Okay, and now let's talk about Python, the center of attraction. Okay, so let's talk about Python. And Python is a programming language basically, and it's high level integrated object oriented programming language. What is object oriented programming? What are interpreters? And what are high level languages and low level languages, the examples? We will elaborate all of these things. We will explain these things in detail in future, but let's keep it simple for now. Okay, also Python is known for its clear and readable syntax. It's a general purpose language, meaning it can be used for a wide variety of applications and isn't specialized for a particular domain. Okay, so this was about Python, and I want to keep it simple for now. We will explain these things in detail, how they are interlinked practically, inshallah, in future. And yeah, let's conclude all of this. So inshallah, I'll see you in the next video, and next time we will raise the bar like anything. Assalamu alaikum fi amanillah.